How to use bundle in Minecraft. So first, what you will need to do is just simply need to click on the bundle, left click on it, and just left click on the items on your inventory so that you could put the items in the bundle. And if you want to remove it, you could just click the bundle again and right click on an empty space, or just right click on the bundle and it will give you the first item right there. And the bundle can only store a full stack just like that, or it could also store just uh, just one item that cannot be stacked, just like a pickaxe or like bottles. But you could also could stack, or you could put different items, but it will only be the max of 24 items in total. And if you want to remove it again, you simply need to right click on empty space, or just simply right click on the bundle itself and it will give you the latest, or the first thing, or the first item there inside the bundle. That's how you basically use a bundle.